Hello students, welcome once again to Moral Value class. Today we will start lesson 3 and the name of the lesson is Follow Basic Manners. Now here let us see what good qualities and basic manners Ayush has. Ayush does not throw rubbish here and there. He throws rubbish only into the dustbin. If he is in a train or bus where there is no dustbin, he keeps the rubbish in a jute bag and throws it into the dustbin when he finds on his way. He also does not spit here and there. So these are the basic manners which Ayush has. So he does not throw rubbish here and there. He throws rubbish only in the dustbin. Now students, let us proceed. Millions of people live on this earth. What will happen if they do not follow good manners and throw rubbish here and there? Certainly, the earth will become a dirty place. The beauty of the earth will be lost. Moreover, there will spread various kinds of diseases all around the world. Therefore, every person on the earth should follow some basic manners to keep his or her surroundings clean. So students, if we do not follow good manners and throw rubbish here and there, then our earth will become dirty and they will spread various kinds of diseases all around the world. So it is important to keep our surroundings neat and clean. Many people think that there are workers of municipal corporation or municipal committee to look after the cleanliness of the surroundings. This thought is absolutely wrong. These workers just help us to keep our surroundings clean. It is a duty of the citizens to keep their surroundings clean. The municipal department has installed public dustbins so that the people could throw rubbish into them. If people do not throw rubbish into them, what can the municipal workers do? So students, many people think that it is only the duty of the workers of municipal corporation to keep the surroundings clean. But this is not right. They only help to keep the surroundings neat and clean. It is a duty of each and every citizen to keep the surroundings neat and clean. It is a duty of all to keep the surroundings clean. The municipal corporation has kept public dustbin so that people can throw rubbish into it. Many people visit hill stations and other places every year to enjoy the beauty of nature. But they spoil the beauty of nature by leaving waste like wrappers, bottles, leftover food, etc. there. This is not good. We should follow good manners to keep our home as well as our surroundings clean. Many people visit hill stations and other places during summer vacation. But what do? They spoil the beauty of nature by not throwing the waste in the dustbin. They do not throw the wrappers, bottles and leftover food in the dustbin. So students, we should follow good manners to keep our home as well as our surroundings clean. We should not throw the wrappers and all the litters here and there. We should always throw these things in the dustbin. Now let us see a small story. Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary were the first person to climb the Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world. After them, many people have climbed the Mount Everest. So students, the highest peak is the Mount Everest. And who were the first persons to climb the Mount Everest? Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary were the first person to climb the Mount Everest. After them, many people have climbed the Mount Everest. Many years ago, Mount Everest was a very clean and beautiful place. But now it is not so. Many mountaineers visit the Himalayas and try to climb Mount Everest every year. Many of them throw litter on the mountainside. This has made many parts of the Himalayas dirty. Climbers often leave empty cans, pieces of tent and containers lying on the mountain. Many years ago, Mount Everest was very clean and beautiful place. But now, students, the Mount Everest is not clean as it was before, because mountaineers visit the Himalayas and try to climb Mount Everest, and many of them throw the litter or the waste on the mountain side. This has made many parts of the Himalaya dirty. The climbers leave the empty cans, pieces of tent and container here and there. Some teams of climbers are trying to clean up the mountain. In 1955, about 560 kilograms of litter was collected and carried down to the bottom of the mountain. These climbers wanted to convey the message to others that people should take care of the beauty of the earth. Now students, there are some teams who try to keep the surroundings clean and trying to clean up the mountains. In 1955, 560 kg of litter means waste, was collected and carried down to the bottom of the mountain. These climbers wanted to convey us the message that people should take care of the beauty of the earth. By this, we come to the end of the chapter. Thank you.